We're very excited to announce a series of workshops that are going to be hosted here at the Crestron Experience Space in Weybridge, Surrey. These will be available in person as well as virtually via a web link. We'll be focusing on the how-tos in the shading world. So Ian, what can we expect?
What we can expect, Phil, is to empower our dealer network on how to sell shades, how to measure shades, how to guide the end user on fabric selection, what is the right bracket for the right reveal, inside, outside, what are the pocket solutions, what is the right treatment for that window. We're going to guide that dealer all the way through the process so they become an expert in shading and empower them so that they can keep the margin and not pass it to a third party.
Excellent. We look forward to welcoming you soon to one of our workshops. Dates to be advised. See you soon.